explain.
Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to solve a two-step equation. They're called two-step equations because there are two operations which need to be undone. To undo an operation, you do the opposite of what it says. We'll start with problem number 2. 3x plus 14 equals 23. The first step would be to undo the adding 14 by subtracting 14. You have to make sure that whatever you put on one side, you also put on the other side. So we would subtract 14 from each side. The adding 14 and subtracting 14 eliminate each other from the problem. That leaves us with a 3x on the left side and a positive 9 on the right side. Our next step then would be to undo the multiplying by 3. To undo multiplying, we do dividing. So we would divide each side by 3. The 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we are left with 1x, or you can just write x. And the 9 divided by 3 would be 3. That's how you solve that particular two-step equation. Another type of two-step equation that we could do would be one such as this. Again, there are two operations that need to be undone. The first operation that we would get rid of would be the subtracting 4. The opposite of subtracting 4 would be to add 4. So we put a plus 4 on each side of the equation. Again, remember, whatever you put on one side, you must also put on the other. The plus 4, along with the minus 4, eliminate each other. So on the left-hand side, we're left with x divided by 2. And on the right-hand side, 8 plus 4 is 12. Now we have to undo the dividing. The opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. So we multiply both sides by 2. The multiplication by 2 and the division by 2 eliminate each other from the problem, leaving us with the x, and then the 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 would be the solution to that equation.